Let's talk about LAC. We're actually going to start with the chart, then we'll dive into the news. I'm sure we're going to be talking about this here today. It's also, of course, on the movers list, so I'm sure we'll cover it again. Here's where we're looking. In the pre-market today, we are up about 67%. And you can see here, we actually traded to a resistance area back from October of 2024. Now, the high on this is 520. So immediately, that's going to be one of our key levels today. The other thing that's important about that is that if you look a little bit more to the left, once we clear this, we actually have a gap fill that fills at about 653. Excuse me, that's the bottom of the candle here from April 17th of 2024. So if we continue to break this 520, or if we test and break that 520, I think it's a fairly safe bet that we're going to find our next area up there of resistance at right around 650. You want to call it 653, that's fine. I'm just going to look at it about 650 there for that potential resistance level. Also wanted to check here real quick on some of these longer term charts. No, that looks good. So 520 and then 650, likely your upside levels here. 450 as a downside level. Obviously, the round number might come into play here as well. Let's take a look and see what's going on with this. Lithium America stocks surged 68% in Wednesday's pre-market. Here's what's going on. The Trump administration is seeking a direct stake in Lithium Americas following similar moves with Intel and MP Materials, framing the action as a national security strategy. The move is reportedly part of a move to restructure $2.26 billion federal loan backing the company's Thacker Pass lithium mine in Nevada. The Thacker Pass lithium mine, partly backed by the General Motors Company, is projected to become the largest lithium operation in the Western Hemisphere once production begins in 2028. That's the key there. Production actually not going to begin till 2028. The mine, located near the Oregon border, aims to bolster U.S. domestic lithium supply chain, reducing its dependence on China, which currently dominates refining and processing. The Trump administration is renegotiating a 24-year lithium loan approved under Biden, citing weak prices from Chinese oversupply, and is seeking equity, increased oversight, and potential concessions from GM. The move by the Trump administration comes at a time when the global lithium market is experiencing significant shifts. On September 10th, lithium miners took a hit after China's contemporary Amperex technology, or ticker CATL, which I think we've traded here before, the world's largest battery maker, announced an early restart of its Jinzhou mine. I probably butchered that, but I'm trying, adding to the market supply pressure. Companies such as ExxonMobil, Standard Lithium, and Ioneer, those tickers are XOM, SLI, and INR, are also pushing forward U.S. projects aimed at countering China's influence. Meanwhile, Lithium Americas has been making significant progress, which is with its Thacker Pass project, with construction underway and mechanical completion targeted for late 2027. The move by the Trump administration to secure a stake in the company reflects its increasing strategic importance of lithium in the global energy transition. This does have a momentum ranking here, 64. I would imagine that would tick up if this continued to move higher. And we have current intact price trends in both in all the short, medium, and long term. That's ticker LAC.